Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can create the folder that consists a lot of application inside of the folder on your home screen on iPhone. The device that I use today is iPhone XR, and now you are seeing my home screen. So this is the application that I have on my home screen. So if you want to make it more organized, you can just make a folder that consists with the application that have the same function, such as the social media, the application that for work, the application that for edit your picture, and so on and so on. So how to make it? You just need to go click into the applications that you want to assemble into one folder. Let's say I want to assemble or I would like to create the folder that consists the social media that I have. So you just need to tap one of them, and then just need to give a little drag or move. Now drag it into the top of the other application that you want to assemble with, and that will be automatically creating the folder as well as the title of the folder. You can also continue it by drag the other application to be added into the folder again, and you're done. So basically that is the way how you can create a folder that contains a lot of application inside. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.